Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service with the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Sunday, August 15th, 2021. The weather impact summary. The main impact today through Monday is going to be very hot with extensive smoke present. We do have a lot of air quality advisories out through Monday with the extensive smoke coming from wildfires to the northwest. We are going to have a pattern change beginning Tuesday. We're going to have a cold frontal passage. With that, we're going to have isolated to scattered thunderstorms Monday through Wednesday. With the cold front, it's going to be breezy on Tuesday, and then much colder by Wednesday behind the cold front with below normal temperatures by Wednesday after the extremely hot weather we've been having. So we are going to start to see these cooler temperatures in the middle of the week. Looking at the current satellite loop, these are the remnants of Hurricane Kevin off the Pacific coast. Generally, we're seeing northwest flow, generally dry over most of southeast Idaho, other than a few high clouds. And again, this northwest flow is bringing in quite extensive smoke to the entire region. And here's the weather impact overview. Again, some moderate impacts with the extremely hot conditions and smoke. Again, we have some air quality advisories out. And we're going to start to see some isolated thunderstorms Monday, mainly Lemhi County, the Sawtooths, and the eastern highlands. And then on Tuesday, as the front moves through, some minimal impacts with the thunderstorms and wind in all areas. And then some of the thunderstorms and showers will linger on Wednesday pretty much over the entire area. And then we'll see a gradual drying the latter part of the week. But still, even some isolated thunderstorms Thursday, mainly in the eastern highlands. And we do have the air quality advisory out for several counties. Again, the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive groups through Monday. And again, we'll see some visibility restrictions with the extensive smoke as well. So again, those sensitive groups, you will have the unhealthy air quality for the next 2 days at least. We may see some improvement by Tuesday. Again, very hot, high temperatures today. In the 90s throughout the lower elevations, generally 80s, higher elevations in the mountains. Wind gusts should increase a bit, but generally stay in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range, below any red flag criteria. Highest speeds in the southern and southeast mountains. It will be very dry, but again, most of the winds are going to be below red flag criteria. But again, widespread 10 to 15% minimum humidity today. And again, continued hot temperatures Monday as well. Widespread 90s in the lower elevations, 80s in the mountains. Wind speeds, again, not expected to see too many areas above 25 mile per hour gusts throughout the day. There will be some in isolated areas, but again, not widespread. And again, continued very dry, most minimum humidity 10 to 20%. We are going to start to see the cool down Tuesday as the cold front pushes east. Generally, high temperatures will fall to the upper 80s in the Snake River Plain, mid 70s to lower 80s in the mountains. And then Wednesday is going to be the huge drop off. Most areas will not get out of the 60s and 70s on Wednesday. Generally 70 Snake Plain and 60. Some real high elevations may not even get out of the 50s on Wednesday. So again, very cool temperatures will be here by midweek. And here's the wind gusts Tuesday. We are expecting very breezy to windy conditions, mainly across the Snake River Plain, Arco Desert. We could see 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts. But by Tuesday, humidities are expected to rise. Should be above 15% everywhere. And a first look at some 1 to 2 week extended outlooks, latter part of August. We're showing a better chance of getting back to above normal temperatures across southeast Idaho, and continued drier than normal conditions are expected. So again, after the brief cool down midweek, we're going to start to warm up to near normal by the weekend, and then probably above normal next week. So the weather impact summary again, very hot with extensive smoke today and Monday. We do have some air quality advisories in effect. And we're going to begin to see a pattern change. That'll be the next impact. Beginning Tuesday with a cold frontal passage, we're going to have isolated to scattered thunderstorms ahead of and with the front Monday through Wednesday. And we expect breezy conditions Tuesday with the cold frontal passage, and then much, much colder behind the front on Wednesday with well below normal temperatures. So that will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.